So just a little short video, a little update. I was engraving a truss rod and I came up here and I left a little space here, about 3/4 inch. I was going to try to get the truss rod through, but I figured, well, I might as well just go straight through. That didn't work. That idea didn't work. So there we are. I don't know if you can see this. I'm going in there. I got filler in there now. What happened was I forgot to readjust the laser speed for the framing, and it was slow. It was like, oh crap, and then it actually caught on fire and burned a hole right through the neck. It was almost like an inch in diameter. It's like, oh crap. And then I let it do its thing. It wasn't like flaming or anything, but it did burn through. It's hardwood, so it was like slow burn. Anyways, what I did was, if you go on the other side here, I engraved a square patch. You can see it there now. And I filled it in with clear resin, but I put some dye in there and I made it brown, just to try to match it up a bit. Anyways, I'm going to have to carve that out around because it's too thick. So I might put a volute up here somewhere. Anyways, I'll see how this works. I think it's got enough beef on each side, lots of strength. The neck did go out of straight just like a millimeter. And it was like, oh crap. So I put the heat gun on it again and I slowly moved it, and then I put the clamps on as soon as I got it straight and kept it on for like, half an hour. And then I took them off and it seems to be holding, so I hope it holds. I'll let you know in the future, but yeah, I don't know if you can see that in there. Yeah, I heated it up a bit there, a little bit with the gun, so gonna have to sand that out a bit and clean it up a bit when it's ready. And here's how it goes into. This is hard. Do one-handed. So anyway, that's how it fits the neck block right here. And then a bolt goes in there, and voila. And then that's going to have to be sanded down. I think about 3 millimeters got to come off of this fretboard. It's a bit thick. I was doing some math and some draw up here, so anyway, I guess it's sort of gonna look like sort of that when it's done. If I can get it all in the video here. Anyways, I'll keep you updated.